Ladies and gentlemen, over the recent past, you may have noticed that the political class has started behaving with great abandon. They are openly inciting against each other on the basis of class. The incitement is amplified by their surrogates in the mainstream and social media platforms. Religious gatherings and funerals have been turned into political theaters. This incitement along class line is bad for the country, as it can very easily lead to the disintegration of our national fabric. Going forward, we have given firm recommendations to relevant authorities that political incitement will not be tolerated anymore. Swift legal and administrative action must be taken against any and all inciters, regardless of their political or social standing in the society. On the issue of some parts of this country experiencing banditry and tribal animosities, as is currently happening in areas such as Kapedo and Marsabit, we have given firm instruction to the area leaders, both elected and appointed, that they must henceforth stop planning, coordinating, and funding their respective tribal and community factions to make violence and rob fellow Kenyans in the name of banditry, while in the actual fact they are pursuing economic and political power through crude means. In particular, we are giving the leadership of Marsabit County 30 days to stop the tribal wars, which we have credible information that they are fueling in their region. Failure to which we shall have no choice but to commence proceedings in Parliament and the judicial system to have those elected removed from office for shedding innocent blood of Kenyans. We also shall commence removal proceedings in the National Assembly of any appointed state or public officer, irrespective of the position they hold.